Hello students. In this video, we'll understand the difference between marketing and selling. So what is the difference between marketing and selling? A lot of people get confused and assumes that selling and marketing is one and the same thing. But we have studied and we know that sale is a part of marketing and not just marketing. Marketing is a broader concept while sale is only a subset of marketing. That means marketing is not equal to sales, and sale is only a subset of marketing. Marketing is a broader concept which includes production, market research, pricing, valuing, selling, advertisement, promotion, branding, customer relationship. So that is marketing. We get confused or we relate the term in similar manner that selling and marketing is one and the same thing, because if we see in any company 80 to 85% of the staff, they are 80 to 85% of the staff of marketing department belongs to sale and distribution of products and services, because a lot of manpower is required to sell and distribute the services and products to the consumers. That's why we relate the term in similar manner, but it is not correct. Marketing is not equal to sale, and sale is only a subset of marketing. Now, what is the difference between marketing and sales? We'll understand one by one. Marketing is a continuous process. That means it starts before producing a product and it never ends once the product is sold. That means it starts before producing a product. That means it starts with market research, then it starts with producing a product, valuing it, pricing it, promoting it, advertising it, developing customer relations, selling, and branding. On the contrary, sale is a one-to-one process. That means you persuade the consumers to buy your product. It's a one-to-one activity. It's not a long-term activity. It's not a continuous process. But once the sale is done, once the product reaches the consumers, or once the buyer purchases the sale is finished. The activity is over. When it comes to marketing, it has got a broader concept. It focuses on educating and informing the customers, and mainly it focuses on need fulfillment. But when it comes to sales, once the product is produced, once the product is created, they just persuade the buyer to purchase the product, to purchase your product or to make a purchase decision. Now, when it comes to marketing, marketing focuses on long-term benefits, to develop customer relationships, to develop long-term relationships. While we are producing more and we are launching more products, we are diversifying into various products. So the customers, they should buy the product of our company only. So the horizon and the focus is broader when it comes to marketing. So it focuses on long-term benefit. On the contrary, sales activity is focused only on increasing the volume of sale. So they just focus on increasing the volume of sale. When it comes to marketing, the strategy which it follows is pull strategy. Pull strategy means deriving information from the market. Deriving information from the market about the likings, dislikings of the consumers, about the taste and preferences of the consumers. Accordingly, you're going to form the marketing strategies. So, pull strategy is adopted in marketing. On the contrary, in sales, push strategy is adopted. That means push strategy means to increase the volume of sale. That means you're forced to increase the volume of sale. That means you persuade or you force the buyer to make a purchasing decision, to purchase your services. So the strategy which is adopted by sales is push strategy. When it comes to marketing, it's a continuous process and it has a broad range of activities in it. As I have already told, it covers a broad range of activities: market research, customer relationship, branding, advertisement, promotion, selling, pricing strategies, etc. When it comes to sales, it makes the customer's demand match the product. When it comes to sales focuses on matching the customer's demand with your product. Priority. When it comes to marketing, it focuses on building long-lasting relationship with the consumers. When it comes to sales, all the marketing activity focuses on selling. That means the ultimate end result of marketing activity is sale or increased sale. So selling is the ultimate result of marketing. Now when it comes to marketing, it targets the construction of brand identity. It targets the construction of brand identity so that the consumers relate it with need fulfillment or satisfaction. I'm using the products and services of this company or of this brand. So it is associated with, marketing is associated with, or it targets the construction of brand identity so as to relate it with need fulfillment of the consumers. Now when it comes to sales strategy, sales strategy is of meeting needs is an opportunity for them. So when it comes to sale, when a buyer reaches or when a buyer comes to you, so they persuade to purchase this product. So sale is not focusing on brand identity or anything like that, but sales only focuses on selling the product. So it's a short-term activity and it does not focuses on brand identity or anything else. So the strategy of sales is meeting needs is an opportunity for them. So I hope the difference between marketing and sales is clear.